And off top, he was like, "Hey, I'm looking for my daughter. She ran off. She's about 11 years old." All the other security guards didn't question it at all. They were just like, "Oh yeah, that little girl just ran up in here. So let me go get her." Eddie, he's the only one who's kind of like second guessing, just like asking questions because it's just like he remembers that when she came in, she was yelling, "They're coming, they're coming." So obviously this little girl is running from something. Obviously this little girl feels like she is in danger. And even if this guy is her father, that doesn't mean that he is not also like a culprit, you know? Once they bring her out, Eddie started asking questions like, "Oh, like, does she have braces? What color are her eyes?" And the other security guards was like, kind of insinuating that he's doing too much. Like, let's just give this girl to this guy who claims to be her father. But then the girl, she wakes up in the nick of time and started screaming and runs away. So once she did that, they kind of closed the door because obviously something is wrong.
Kids. Go get her! Get her!